Alright, so I just found out the other day that I made it into the Burnout contest for Cleetus and Cars, and I am stoked. So, we gotta get the car ready to go because I just burned through 14 sets of tires with this thing, and it really doesn't need anything. But what it does need is to be more rowdy. So, I got our Pretty Mint tires up on the tire machine. I'm gonna put 2 brand new tires, my last 2 brand new tires on there. I just put a proportion valve in it so I don't catch the brakes on fire again. And I need to get like an American flag for it, and we'll try to figure out what else I could do to make this thing more rowdy and stick out. So basically plan to blow the tires up, chew the rims up as much as they'll let me, and maybe hit a couple walls or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but we'll get to working on this and get her ready to go. There she is, low idle, she's pissed. Not happy. She's like, why is it so loud? Alright, I'm on my way to the track. I was able to get somebody to drive my truck and trailer, so we're ripping the fox down there. It's like 250 miles, but I'm not worried. She'll do good. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is my fuel gauge broke, and it only says that I have a full tank. So hopefully I don't run out of gas, but I can't wait. It's gonna be sick. Well, I got my ticket and I'm like third to last, so I gotta basically run over to the car and get it ready, throw some GoPros on it, and it should be a good time. My buddy should be getting some videos of the Burnout competition itself, and hopefully we get some good videos of me. So wish me luck, and hopefully I win, because it's only like 15 people, so that's pretty dope.
There you go!
start in second gear, do a little like standing, and then just kind of roll out and whatever happens. I didn't really plan anything, so.
Well, I mean, there's not really, like, you can't
send
really
it.
plan.
Yeah, just.
But like, are we blowing tires, blowing motor, like what?
Hopefully not the motor, but the tires for sure.
Okay. You got a trailer?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. We're good to go. Whatever happens, happens.
That's all we ask for. All right, good luck. Let it rip, Tater Chip.
Back in the day, we used to have these little red and white barriers. Who was here for the first event when we had the red and white barriers? Anything? Well, then we had the Mustangs start showing up with the concrete barriers.
Damn.
Started
Thought that was the point. Here we are. What up, man?
What up?
Hell yeah.
You gonna blow some tires?
Yeah, that's the point. Hopefully the motor stays together, but we'll see.
Hey, you'll have that some days, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it is a Ford motor, so it'll stay together.
Dude,
It's fine.
a testament. They can
Exactly. She's a 2-valve, boy. It makes like 4 horsepower. It won't break.
Yeah, dude, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Super low.
Yeah, once they're fast, they break all the time. You just keep it nice and slow.
Remember, it's a burnout contest.
Huh?
Don't drift too much. Remember, it's a burnout.
Oh, yeah.
Don't let it rip.
Stand on that left foot brake.
You know the deal.
Good to go?
So guess who just won second place in the burnout competition with a shitbox Mustang? This guy. Sick.
Oh man, what a good time. Can't believe I came in second in the burnout competition. I didn't even know that there's money to be involved. I thought you'd just win like t-shirt or trophy or something, but I won goddamn $1,500 and that was sick. Didn't even really think I was gonna be able to compete that well, but the old girl pulled it off, and she's definitely a trooper. And the Fox was perfect the whole way there and back, didn't have any issues. She drove great. So that was over 500 miles just this weekend, and she did good. So I think I finally worked out most of the kinks. So I hope you like this video. I tried to get it out as soon as possible, and like I said, I had a lot of fun making it, so I hope you have a lot of fun watching it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you later.